Hello and welcome back to our channel Maha Uma's World. Thank you everyone for your continued support. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. This lunch combo is coconut rice with potato pepper fry. For making potato pepper fry, first we need to dry roast the spices. Heat a pan on a low flame. Add 1 teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon coriander seeds. Roast well. After few minutes, the spices are roasted well and it's giving nice aroma. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. Once it cool down, add it into the blender and make a powder. Then take 2 large potatoes and wash them well and cut it into small cubes. Heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. Once it got heat, add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds and let's wait until it splutter. Then add half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well. Then add chopped potatoes. Fry well in the oil. Cover the lid and cook for few minutes. Keep mixing in between. The ground pepper masala is ready. Keep it aside. For making coconut rice, we need 1 cup cooked rice. The rice grains has to be separated like this. Now we will start making coconut rice. For that, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds. Let's wait until it splutters. Then add 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon urdu dal. Fry until it gets golden color on low flame. In between, add some broken cashews and half teaspoon jeera. Fry all together. Then add some curry leaves. Saute well. Now you can see the cashew and dals are turned golden brown. At this stage, add half cup grated coconut. Saute on low flame without changing the color. After 5 minutes, the potatoes are half cooked. Add some curry leaves, then ground masala as per your taste. Saute well. Add required amount of salt. Mix all together until the pepper masala coated well with potatoes. Hot for few more minutes. After 3 minutes, the coconut roasted well without changing the color. At this stage, add cooked rice and required amount of salt. Mix well all together. Now you can see the coconut well combined with rice without changing the color. This is the correct stage to switch off the flame. Even the potatoes also roasted well, so switch off the flame. Lunch combo is ready. Coconut rice with potato pepper fry. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.